like a railroad, has its heroes. This is the island of Sodor, where Thomas and his friends live.
Seconds late you are. What does that sign say? Sodor Railway. Really? With that and right on the head of the railway to Topham Hatt. You weren't on time to the point. Now, I'm meeting Mr. Conductor. He's looking after us while Sir Topham Hatt takes a much-needed holiday. I think we can take care of ourselves. From the past, who hates steam engines. Maybe we do keep Mr. Conductor here after all. On time.